Hello everyone. Is your computer feeling slow and unresponsive? It might be time for a little digital spring cleaning. In this video, we'll show you how to remove unnecessary files and speed up your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Organize your files. The first step to improving your computer's speed is to organize your files. Take a look at your desktop and any other folders on your computer. Are there files you no longer need or use? It's time to declutter. Simply select the files you want to remove and drag them to the recycle bin. If you're unsure about certain files, you can create a new folder to store them temporarily until you're confident you won't need them anymore. Step 2. Empty the recycle bin. Once you've sorted out your unwanted files, it's time to empty the recycle bin. These files take up valuable storage space, even if they're no longer visible on your desktop. Simply right-click on the recycle bin icon and select Empty Recycle Bin from the menu. Confirm the action, and your computer will permanently remove these files, freeing up storage space. Step 3. Uninstall unused programs. To uninstall programs, go to your computer's control panel and find the Programs or Apps section. From there, you can browse through the list of installed programs and select the ones you want to remove. Follow the on-screen instructions to uninstall them completely. Step 4. Disk Cleanup. Another great way to remove unnecessary files and speed up your PC is to use the built-in Disk Cleanup utility. It scans your computer for temporary files, system files, and other unnecessary data. To access Disk Cleanup, simply type Disk Cleanup in the search bar and open the utility. Select the drive you want to clean up, usually your main C drive, and click OK. It will calculate how much space you can free up. Next, you'll see a list of file types you can remove. Check the boxes next to the file types you want to delete, such as temporary files, system files, and recycle bin contents. Then click OK to start the cleanup process. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.